Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video we will see the advanced concept of stored procedures. In my last video I a lot of people and lot of developers have loved this video as well, okay, and I got so many DMs they always need this SQL server video. So they appreciate that video, okay. Or if you are new viewer of my YouTube channel, so I just want to request that please go to this video. This video is uploaded name it as a SQL Server Masterclass 2026, where I covered all the topics from the basics, or I have covered the all the related things which you need as a backend developer. But I thought that I should create the second part of it, okay. Or here we will see that advanced concept with the stored procedures. Or if you are backend developer, so you always need to work with the stored procedures. And if you don't know, and if you are not good with the stored procedures, so it's considered as you are not a good backend developer, okay. So this is why I thought I want to make you a good backend developer, in .NET, Java, Node.js, or any other technologies, okay. So stored procedure is a very fundamental thing, okay. Or everybody should know how to work with the stored procedures and how to do the CRUD operations using the stored procedures, okay. Or in the last video we see a very basic thing about the stored procedures. Like we have seen that two types of stored procedures, parameterized stored procedures and non-parameterized stored procedures. Or at the same moment we have seen the functions as well. So a lot of people liked that video, so this is why I thought I should create the separate part regarding the stored procedures, okay. So let's see. Or guys, another thing is that please be stick in this video till the end, so that you won't feel again lack of confidence in the stored procedures, okay. And first you should know why the stored procedure is important. Whenever you work with the APIs, okay, also so in the single stored procedures you can handle multiple things, okay. You can do so many, you can write so many queries, you can implement so much logics instead of writing this link queries or the separate SQL queries, okay. So this is why stored procedures always save your efforts, okay. So this is why I thought we should learn the stored procedures in a very advanced level, okay. So I just want to request that please subscribe to my YouTube channel, or share this video to your friends, your colleagues, or network as well, okay. So and along with that, subscribe to this channel as well, okay. All right, now we have 65 members in our YouTube family. Thank you for your support, okay. So let's see that how we will start here. So just go to we will back it again, okay. Or we are working with the Northwind database, or we will create lot of stored procedures in this database, okay. So let's see that how to start work with this database, okay. Now we will create very basic stored procedures, okay. Or let's see that how to create the stored procedure. Or guys, if you have watched the last video of the SQL server, so I just want to know that what is your feedback of this video, of the previous video that you have watched, okay. And what you want what you want, the topic that I have missed as well, okay. I think I have covered all the basic topics and all the important topics, where you should know enough, okay. So let's create new stored procedures, okay. Or we will work with the we will do CRUD operations as well, okay. We will do we will go in the depth in this stored procedures, okay. So this is our Northwind database, okay. Or we will work with the let's select which table is good. Columns is, I think that's good enough, okay. So now let's go here, okay. Or now let's see the design of this table as well, so that we can ensure that everything is good or not. Okay, so there is no any full specific okay. So let's create so many store procedures here. Okay, so first store procedure that we will, and the syntax is always similar. You have to write like create procedure, or I would to I would love to name it as upsert customers. Okay, or like this is like famous at the end, this is the like convention to create the store procedure. Okay, you can name it as a upsert as a prefix of this store procedure naming convention. Okay, or upsert means like update and insert. Okay, so this is the combination of insert and update is upsert. Okay, or even like there is an another convention that where the most people use as a USP, like user specific store procedures. Okay, user defined store procedures, or even you can define it as like SP underscore, or you can name it anything here. Okay, so it's totally up to you. Okay, but my favorite is upsert. Okay, or I will define so many things here. Okay, or we will see, suppose like we will define the actions as well. Like the action will denote you, the action will tell you that how like which action you want to perform. Like you want to perform the delete of action, update action, insert actions. Okay, and the listing action like select actions. Okay, so it will help me to understand like, okay, so I need to work with these actions. Okay, now now let's name it let's name it as an action. Okay, or there thereafter I will just define as a default value is 0. Okay, or as begin and okay, so this is the basic syntax of stored procedures. Okay, or we will define a lot of parameters with this action parameter. So or we will see one by one each as well. Okay, so now let's create now let's understand like how many parameters we need here. Okay, so what I will do here simply I will just define a lot of things here. Okay, so the customer ID. Okay, so customer ID I would love to put as a customer ID, or it is a here you will see like I have to define the data type which is similar to this. Okay, make sure the thing, otherwise you will face an error as well. Okay, so nchar 5 superb. Okay, or it is not allowing the null anymore, so please leave it null here. Okay, or now let's do define the contact name superb. Okay, thereafter like it is asking me to enter as a nvarchar 30 superb. Okay, still I would like to make it as a nullable as well. Okay, like it will help me to understand, like it will generally help us. Okay, or thereafter company name as well, I forgot to mention this parameter as well. Okay, like you have to just you have to watch the things like what I am exactly doing here. Okay, so you don't need to anything here, just to look at your screen. Okay, just and don't type anything in your screen as well. Okay, or the contact title, so the contact title that I am gonna to create here. Okay, it's like I would create all the titles, all the all the parameters that is required in this table. Okay, so that you can understand what like how to work with the store procedures in advanced level. Okay, like this is a very basic thing. Okay, whenever you work whenever you know about the stored procedures also, like you will feel confident and you will feel comfortable as well. Okay, so this is why I thought that I should bring this tutorial in front of. Okay, like still most of the .NET developers face the issues while they are working with the stored procedures. Okay, or I will let you know the standard way to write the stored procedures. Okay, or we will define all the parameters that is required here. Okay, now I will add the postal code. The postal code is nvarchar Now let's keep it as a 10 character. Okay. Or whenever you create the stored procedures, okay, or make sure that like you always give the default value like as a null, or it can be used like even as a empty as well. So it's totally up to you like how you want to store like this is a good practice as well. Okay, now we have added the country. Now it's time to add the phone as well. So phone, I all the parameters is following with the like anywhere care. Okay, so that's a very good thing. Okay, or now fax. So like we have added all the required parameters in this table that is required at this moment. Okay, now you have seen that I have created the parameterized stored procedures. Okay, but still you have to execute this command as well. Okay, so now let's do so many things here. Well, suppose if I pass the action value, this action value as a one, so it would be considered as like I am gonna to insert the value in the table. Whenever I put the action is 2, so it means that I will put as a like I want to update the data. Okay, so like you have to make sure this thing very well, like what the things you want to execute. Okay, or you like it is not necessary to like put the things like integer, but like even you can use the varchar as well, or where and you can define the action name like insert, update, delete. Okay, anything here. Okay, but in the most like it is like in the most cases at the global level, like mostly people use the action as a integer as well. Okay, so this is the good practice. And along with that, it's totally up to you like how you want to execute the things. Okay, so now let's handle those conditions as well. Okay, suppose if the action is one. Okay, so like in such a way, okay, like if there is a condition like like it is it is a kind of programming languages where we can add the conditions and the loops as well. Okay, or at this moment we are putting the conditions, like, if conditions. Okay, or in such a way like you don't need to use as a like double equals in if condition. Like it is not a programming languages. Okay, it has the like it has the other syntax as well. Okay, so it is always considered as like equals operator. Okay, or suppose everything is using as a begin and end block. Okay, while you are working with the block level statement like if condition for loop as well. Okay, so in such a way like you always use the begin or end block. Okay, instead of curly braces. Now let's insert the data. Okay, one by one. Okay, or we will insert the data in the customers table. Okay, so customers, so we will select the customers. Okay, thereafter like guys, please be stick in this video so that you will get to know like how the things is is executing one by one here. Okay, like most of the .NET developer always face the issues. Okay, so this is why I just want you to just watch this video. Okay, after the finishing this video, thereafter you have to practice as well. Okay, this is like I am studying, like I am teaching you in a very slow mode. Okay, so that you can adapt the things that what the things actually I am doing here. Okay, now phone and fax. Okay, so this is the some like we will write a very basic queries. Okay, like insert like a CRUD operations. Okay, and we have discussed the CRUD operations in the last video as well. Okay, now define the values as well. The values that I am gonna to insert as customer ID, like you have to put all the variables, like all the parameters one by one. Okay, or make sure that like a hierarchy should be same as well. Okay, or company, thereafter like I I would love to add a company name. Thereafter I will pass the contact name. Okay, or thereafter like I would pass the contact title, address. Okay, add the city. Now let's add the region as well. Okay, or now let's add the postal code. country and phone and facts. Okay, so like in such a way, like you have defined your things. Okay, now if like how you will get to know like your values inserted successfully or not. So in such a way, like you always use the select statement, or you or in the select statement you give the message as well. Okay, so message that I wanted to give as like data is saved successfully. That's it. Okay, so like in such a way, like you can define the things. Okay, or suppose if your block is completed, okay, and you don't want to execute the things further as well, so simply you have to use the return statement like this. Okay, so thereafter like you will like whenever this statement is executed, so it will just directly return out of this like from this stored procedures. Okay, and so you have seen that how to define the actions in the stored procedures. Okay, but this is the concept that you should know as well. Okay, now you have seen that we have put the if conditions. Okay, in the if condition, like we have defined the action, or whenever the action is one. Okay, like whenever I send the action as a one. Okay, in the parameter, so it will directly consider that okay, so I need to go to the like insert statement. Okay, because we have defined the things. Okay, now let's add the comments as well. Like adding the comment like comments in the store procedure is a very good thing as well. Okay, so you have seen nothing like this. Now you have to now let's add another condition that I want to add here. So I will use the else if. Okay, suppose if the condition is if action is 2, it means like I would love to name like I would love to add the condition action to or like I would now let's update the data as well. Okay, so like I would love to add the things like this. Okay, now let's see that how the things you should execute one by one here. Okay, so we will use the update statement. Okay, now I will use the update customers. Okay, thereafter like you have to set all such values one by one. Okay, or but in the update statement we have seen that like we always give the reference value. Okay, so in such a way like we will take the reference value as a customer id. So we will check the conditions, or like we will add like we will update the data on a certain condition. Okay, so for making the condition, so we will use the customer id. That's it. Okay, so there so we can update all such things as well. So let's do the things like this. Okay, let me pin this object explorer as well, so that everything is visible to me as well. Okay, now add the company name, or it now it's the contact details. Okay, the contact name. Okay, so contact name as like contact name, thereafter like contact title. Okay, or at the rate contact title. Okay, now let's set the value of address as well. So the address equals to at the rate address. Okay, now add the city as well. City equals to at the rate city. Okay, now let's add the region. So region is like we are assigning all the value, like we are assigning all the values that we are going to pass it here. Okay, oh guys, I will refine the code as well. Okay, like still there are a lot of things that we need to fix in this stored procedures. Okay, or country equals to add that country that we are sending it from the parameter. Okay, or in such a way like phone, super phone equals to add that phone, or thereafter like we have to add the facts as well. Facts equals to add that facts. So in such a way like we have like we will set all the values one by one, but still like we have to make sure that things like whenever we want to update the value, so like we always need to ensure like or like these values should not update in all the rows as well. Okay, so this is why we have the where condition, In the where condition, we define the things like where the customer ID equals to customer ID, or if all the things is successfully done, thereafter like we will pass the like we will receive the data is update successfully. Okay, or now let's return from this stored procedures as well. Okay, so in such a way like you can define all the things in the stored procedures. Okay, and you have seen that like what the things exactly we are doing in the stored procedures. Okay, or this is how like we can manage the things. Now let's add another condition for the delete the data. Okay, so suppose I want to delete the data using the action 3. Okay, like you can like like it is not like you copy me and you like you have to do the same like me. Okay, like I am doing in the customers tables. Okay, so you can do anything like you do like you can do the same thing in the categories tables. Okay, products table, reason tables, shippers table. Okay, but make sure like whenever you want to see, okay, first you have to see that columns as well. Like first check the constraint as well. Okay, so this is why like you should know. Okay, like still we are like aware. Okay, so now now let's add the condition as well. Okay, so delete from customers. Okay, so this is the good practice, and you will see that like how we can manage all the logics in single stored procedures. Okay, or this is a very best practice whenever you want to work with the stored procedures. Okay, our companies always like required the smart developers like who can work with the stored procedures as well. Okay, so now it's time to level up your skills. Okay, with me, or I will definitely help you to level up your skills in 2026. Okay, so in such a way like we have defined like whenever I will send the action 3 with the like customer ID. Okay, so it will directly delete the row from the customer table. Okay, or I will just receive the message as like data is deleted successfully. Okay, so in such a way like you can define the things. Okay, oh, it is a very good idea, guys, trust me. Like this like if you understand these steps, so congratulations guys, like you have like you have understand like logic behind the store procedures. Okay, and you know that how to create the stored procedures as well. Okay, or now if I send the action values for, so simply it will give me the data where the customer's ID equals to like at the customers ID. Okay, or if suppose if I send the action as a like at the action equals to 5. Okay, so it will like it will, so I will get all the data from here. Okay, from the customers table. Okay, or like if you want to see all the records, is like which records are available in the customers table, so this is the good thing that you can that you can see here. Okay, or now let's modify this thing as well. We will modify this thing as well. Okay, now let's make this query as a complex query as well. Okay, like it is looking like a very simple as well. Okay, so simply what I will do here, so where of condition. Okay, and now let's add the inner join as well. Okay, so inner join, we will add the inner join with the like which thing that where we can apply inner join. Okay, so like customer ID. Okay, so we will apply the inner join in the orders table. Okay, so orders as well, or ODR, ORD. Okay, or on, or if you know that what is the like what the things actually I am doing, so congratulations guys, like you have understand, like you have a very basic understanding about the joins as well. Okay, or we have created the videos as well. Okay, on this topic, so in such a way like we like we have implemented the customer like we have implemented the inner join. Okay, now it's time to see. Now I will define so many things as well. Like I don't want to show all the things. Okay, simply. So from the customer table, I want to see the company name, contact name. Okay, like dot customer I not customer ID, uh, phone as well. That's it. Okay, it's still it is good enough. Okay, or from the orders table, I want from the orders table like order date, order dot freight. Okay, order dot required order ship city, order dot ship country. So like ship address. Okay, so I will get the list with the two tables. Okay, using the inner join. Okay, so in such a way, like you can define the things as well. Okay, now let's get or now let's create this stored procedures as well. Or let me explain you that what the things that we have done so far in this video. So this is, so we follow a very basic thing. Okay, or like this is like create procedure. Thereafter we put the procedure name as well. Thereafter we have sent a lot of parameters like this. Okay, in fact if I tell you about my project as well, I like I always manage the data, and I always manage the database using the stored procedures as well. Like I write complex stored procedures, or even like we have vast database as well. Like we have around 1 million plus users in our database, or we have the records of the 1 million plus users. Okay, so like we have a very big data. Okay, or we work with the big data, and we write the query for the big data as well. Okay, so and all the things we managed in the stored procedures. Okay, or we write a lot of complex logics in the stored procedures. So just you have to do practice a lot and a lot. Thereafter you will learn all the things one by one here. Okay, or I will make you a very a very good developer, a like I'm one of the best developer in your company as well. Okay, so this is why I bring those five playlists as a newer gift as for you. Okay, so thereafter you will see that we have added all the things in the condition if else conditions. Okay, or we are managing all the things like this. Okay, now let's execute this stored procedures. Thereafter you will see that we have created our stored procedures. Or if you want to changes something in this stored procedures, so simply you can execute the things. Okay, or after that you can manage all the things using the alter command. Okay, suppose I mean I forgot to I want to change the message like this. Okay, so simply I will use this alter, or thereafter I will execute the stored procedures. Okay, or suppose if you accidentally lost your stored procedures. Okay, so at this moment suppose I lost this stored procedure, but I have saved in my database. Okay, simply what I will do here, I will just go there in the programmability. You have to go to the stored process sections. Okay, while you scroll down, then you will see that you have to find your stored process. So this is my stored procedures. Thereafter right click, then go to the modify section. So this is how you will get your stored procedures back as well. Okay, now let's work. Now let's execute one by one as well. Okay, so first stored procedure that I am gonna do, we will first we will insert the data. Okay, so we have a lot of data in the customers table. So I think I should start uh, no, please we will follow the things as well. Okay, so first I need to pass the action. Like what the action I want to perform, I want to perform the action as an insert action. So simply I will just pass the action as a one. Thereafter I need to pass the customer ID. So customer ID is like it is required ncare. So simply I will just pass the customer ID as 43599. That's it. So this is, suppose I created the customer ID like this. Thereafter company name, company, now let's company name as F2B stack. Okay, Thereafter, like I will send the contact name. Now let's put the contact name. So this is my contact name that I will send here, okay. Or thereafter, it is look at the contact title. The contact title is like office contact, okay. Thereafter, you have to send all the address that I want to send here, okay. So now let's put the address. Address is Jaipur, Rajasthan. Okay, this is the address that I have put here. Thereafter, like I would love to add the things as a city. So city I would add as a city is Jaipur. Okay, so like in such a way, like you have to see the things like this. Okay, Jaipur. Thereafter, like it's time to add the region as well. So region is Rajasthan. Okay, or thereafter I will put the postal code. So the postal code is like a 30 2012. Okay, so please see that how the things we are executing the things, okay. Or you will see country is India, so IN. phone number uh, phone number is similar to this, that's it, okay. The fax value I want to set as like 4 5 4 5 6, okay, that's it, okay. So this is how like we will like we have like we will send all the parameters one by one, okay. Let me match, like let me see that everything is looking good or not, okay, so that we like we won't face any issues, okay. Or let's so like at the third number we are passing the company name. Thereafter contact name is like this, okay. Now let's execute this stored procedures. Thereafter we have executed the things, or you will see that data is saved successfully. So in such a way, like you can like you can create the stored procedures, and you can work with the stored procedures like this, okay. uh, now now let's, if you want to get the data, like what the data we have saved here, okay. So simply like this is a very important thing that you need to understand, okay. So now let's get the data using the inner join, okay. So now at this moment I will use the like left join here, okay, not the inner join, because we have not any data in the orders table. Otherwise we won't get anything from the order, we will get the null as well, okay? So this is why like I'm using the left join. Or now let's execute the things as well. I will remove, I don't need this thing anymore. Or I want to pass the action 4. Action is 4, okay. Or the customer ID that we want to fetch, okay. Now let's execute. Thereafter we will get the results from there, okay. Or you will see that like we are getting all the results, company name, contact name, phone, or but still we don't have any records in the orders table. So this is why at this moment I put the like I put in left join, not the inner join, because in the last video I told you in the in that video, like whenever you like put the inner join, so like it always see like common data between both tables. If you found, if you not found anything in the like in that table, so definitely you will get like you won't get anything from the table, okay. So this is how like we can manage the like inner join as well, okay. Or if you want that like if you want to get all the data, so simply I will just use the like I will just pass this action as a 5. Thereafter we have to execute. Thereafter you will see that we are getting all the records from the like customers table, okay. So this is how like you can manage the things, okay. Or even like there is the important thing that I like that you should know, always know about the thing is like whenever you want to update the row, okay. Suppose if I want to update the row like this too, okay. Or like what the thing exactly I'm doing here, okay. Like at this moment like like now let's do some changes as well, okay. So RJ1 Jaipur one. Okay, like now let's do something else. Okay, so that F2B stack Rohan. Okay, like we have added the so many changes like this. Like office one. Okay, so like we have added the changes. Okay, for update the data. While you execute this query, thereafter you will see that data is updated successfully. Okay, or if you want to see that like everything is working fine or not, so you have to pass the action is 4. Okay, or id is 34599. Okay, or now execute this command, you will get your own result, which is like f2b stack. Or you will see that like the company name is changed, contact number is changed. Okay, so in such a of the CRUD operation. Okay, so simply I will just pass the 3, or thereafter like we have to execute the things. Okay, you will see the data is deleted successfully. Okay, but if you want to check that everything have we deleted the data successfully or not, you have to change the action name, action number. Thereafter you will see that no any data we didn't get. Okay, so like this is how like we work with the stored procedures in the like SQL Server. Okay, or I hope you get a very basic idea about the stored procedures. Okay, even I explain you the things at the broader level as well. Okay, or I have put all the things, all the conditions like this. Okay, so if you love this video, if you love this content, so I just want to request you that please subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this video to your friends, your colleagues, or network as well, and hit the like button. Well, guys, there is a important thing that I want to ask you, I want to request you that like around 85% of the viewers they haven't subscribed our YouTube channel. So I just want that please be part of our family. Okay, we always welcome you. Okay, because if our channel has like a large number of subscribers. Okay, so definitely like our channel will get reach as well. Our video will reach to the maximum audience like you who wants to be backend developer or the full stack developer in 2026. Okay, so I hope you love this video, you love this content. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. Till then, take care guys, bye bye, have a good day.